Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Global XRS 7400 Leopard stands as a conceptual behemoth in the world of extreme luxury expedition vehicles. A testament to the idea that no terrain should be a barrier to unparalleled comfort and sophistication. This exclusive model is not merely a vehicle. It is a meticulously engineered, self-sufficient mobile fortress designed for the most discerning and adventurous clientele who demand a fusion of robust, military-grade capability and opulent residential living. At its core, the XRS 7400 Leopard is built on a heavy-duty, commercial-grade chassis, likely a MAN or Mercedes-Benz platform, known for its formidable off-road prowess. The designation 7400 hints at a massive, powerful engine, capable of generating immense torque to conquer steep inclines, deep mud, or loose sand with effortless confidence. The exterior design would be a striking blend of form and function, while its silhouette would be unmistakably that of a rugged, go-anywhere truck. Every surface would be exquisitely finished. The body could feature a durable, scratch-resistant coating, and the vehicle would be equipped with a comprehensive set of external features, including a powerful winch, all-terrain tires with a central tire inflation system, and extensive external lighting arrays for night navigation. The true luxury of the XRS 7400 Leopard lies within its interior, a space that promises to be a stark contrast to its rugged exterior. The cabin would be a masterpiece of bespoke craftsmanship, tailored to the exact specifications of its owner. The layout would be highly functional, with separate zones for living, dining, and sleeping. The materials would be nothing short of the finest. Handcrafted leather upholstery, solid hardwood cabinetry, and countertops made of granite or other natural stone. The living area would be a sanctuary of comfort, with plush, custom-built sofas and a state-of-the-art entertainment system, complete with a high-definition projector and surround sound. The kitchen would be a chef's dream, equipped with professional-grade, full-sized appliances, including an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a large refrigerator and freezer. Ample counter space and cleverly designed storage solutions would make it a joy to use even in remote locations. The master suite would be a private oasis, featuring a king-sized bed, generous closet space, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with a spacious walk-in shower. A sophisticated water filtration and purification system would ensure a clean and abundant water supply from any source. Technological integration would be comprehensive and intuitive. A centralized control system, managed via a touchscreen or a mobile app, would monitor and control every aspect of the motorhome's functions, from lighting and climate to power consumption and security. A robust power system, featuring a large lithium battery bank and extensive solar panels, would ensure complete energy independence. Satellite communication systems would provide seamless connectivity in even the most remote corners of the globe. In essence, the 2026 Global XRS 7400 Leopard is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of freedom and self-sufficiency. It is for the individual who seeks to explore the world without ever compromising on luxury, security, or comfort, transforming every journey into a first-class expedition.